Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm making tender, juicy and flavorful minced meat that's perfect for family meals and an amazing filling for crispy beef samosas. But before we start cooking, let's look at the ingredients and why I'm using each one of them. There's turmeric. Turmeric gives the mincemeat a rich golden color and a warm, slightly earthy flavor. Royco Mchuzi mix, which blends different seasonings to give the meat a rich balanced taste and an appetizing aroma. Coriander gives the meat a warm, earthy flavor and a wonderful aroma that makes every bite more delicious. And for extra richness, I'm adding a Royco cube, which helps deepen the meaty flavor and makes the filling even more delicious. Go ahead and boil the mincemeat for around 10 to 15 minutes, stirring occasionally, which helps the meat cook evenly, become tender, and release excess fat. Once the meat is cooked and most of the liquid has reduced, I add the chopped spring onions followed by the coriander powder, black pepper, turmeric, Royco cube and Royco Mchuzi mix. I stir everything well so the spices coat every piece of meat. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole lot of meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to you now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what, if you're stupid then you know it's nothing wrong. You and me got a whole lot of meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole lot of meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me. And look at this filling. It's rich, flavorful and perfect if you're making samosas for your family or even for your food business. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and comment. Don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes.